Hi, my name is Chloe with Mission 2 Organize, and I'm going to teach you how to backpack. First things first, you need to decide on your route. Once you choose your trail, you should estimate about how many miles you want to walk each day so you can plan your food and supplies accurately. Backpacking is physically demanding, so if this is your first trip of the year, it's wise to take a few day hikes with your packed bag to build up strength. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the backpack. When you're packing, you're going to want to look for one that fits all of your stuff, and you want to choose one that's the right size for your trip and for your body frame. Whether that's a short weekend trip or a multi-day adventure, most items that you need to fill up your backpack can be found in an outdoor retailer like REI. You'll need a sleeping bag that rolls up tight, a packable pillow or pillowcase that you can stuff with clothes, a tent or a hammock with a bug screen and rain screen, a GPS that will work when you don't have cell phone service, a first aid kit, matches, and a knife. If you want to fish on the hike, then you're going to need to pack a rod as well. Next, you're going to need to plan food and water for the trip. Good snacks to pack are freeze-dried foods, granola bars, beef jerky, and other high-protein and high-calorie foods that pack easily. Depending on where you're hiking, you may need a bear-proof case to store your food. Bring one bowl and one set of silverware and you should be set for your trip. You're also going to need multi-purpose soap so that you can wash your dishes and also rinse yourself off at the end of the day. Don't forget to bring a water filter and a water bottle to stay hydrated. Another essential is sunscreen and bug spray, which you should keep on your person in an easily accessible pocket at all times so you can reapply during the day. You're going to want to plan ahead for various weather by packing a jacket and or rain gaiters in case it rains. Now all you need to do is lace up those hiking boots and get out the door.